The OnePlus 9R is a 5G-enabled phone. It is available in lake blue and carbon black colors. The phone is available in two variants, 8GB RAM plus 128GB internal storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB internal storage. OnePlus 9R has a 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate for an immersive viewing experience. The phone comes with a quad rear camera setup, including a 48-megapixel main camera, 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, 5-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel monochrome camera. It also features a 16-megapixel front camera. Powered by Oxygen OS based on Android 11 operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G processor and Qualcomm Adreno 650 GPU. This phone gives a smooth performance during games and video playback. The phone runs on a 4500 mAh battery with 65-watt warp charging capability. The box includes handset, power adapter, cable, quick guide, welcome letter, important notes, logo stickers, transparent case, protector and card pin. This product comes with standard brand warranty.
Hello friends, this is OnePlus 9R with me. As you can see, the phone looks really nice. On the right spine you can see power button and this alert slider. Here you can see volume rocker, up top antenna bands and secondary microphone. And this side you can see SIM tray, USB Type-C port and speaker grill. At the back you can see the quad camera setup and OnePlus branding. Also the phone has this glossy finish. On the front you get 6.5-inch Fluid AMOLED display which has 402 ppi and 120Hz of screen refresh rate, and for protection you get Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and this display has 1100 nits of brightness. For performance you get Snapdragon 870 processor which works on 7nm fabrication, and for your multitasking you get 8GB or 12GB of RAM. Also for your media storage you get 128GB of storage. On the camera front you get 48, 16, 5 and 2 megapixel cameras. The 16 megapixel is the ultra wide, the 5 megapixel is the macro and 2 megapixel is the mono sensor. On the front you get 16 megapixel front camera, and in all lighting conditions you will get good results from both the cameras. For battery you get 4500 mAh of battery which supports 65 watts of fast charging, and for software you get Android 11 which works with Oxygen OS. For the
Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the key features of the OnePlus 9R 5G. The OnePlus 9R was launched along with the OnePlus 9 and the 9 Pro. The 9R is the most affordable of the three. The smartphone is available in two variants, carbon black and lake blue. The OnePlus 9R has a quad camera setup at the back that includes a 48-megapixel primary camera that comes with a Sony IMX586 sensor. There is also a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens that has a field of view of 123 degrees. Furthermore, there is a 5-megapixel macro and a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor. These cameras can record in 4K at 30 and 60 fps, 1080p videos at up to 240 fps. It also comes with features like Auto HDR and Gyro EIS. There is also a 16-megapixel selfie camera housed inside a front-facing notch. The device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870, which is a 5G compatible chipset. This chip is paired with up to 12GB RAM and up to 256GB storage options to choose from. This configuration will suffice all kinds of users, and it should allow the phone to handle anything you throw at it. The OnePlus 9R has a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display. It supports a refresh rate of 60Hz and 120Hz. The 9R also has a 4500 mAh battery that supports 65-watt fast charging. You will be able to charge the device full in 45 minutes. And those are some of the features that you should keep in mind when buying the OnePlus 9R smartphone. Thanks for watching. Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how the OnePlus 9R is well suited for gaming. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870, which the company claims is 12% faster than the previous version. This chip is paired with up to 12GB RAM and up to 256GB storage options to choose from. The chip also comes with the VC cooling system that ensures longer, stable gaming hours. The 9R also comes with a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display. It supports a refresh rate of 60Hz and 120Hz. The above combination makes the OnePlus 9R a solid phone that is built for casual and hardcore gamers alike. The 9R also comes with the much hyped Pro Gaming mode. This mode optimizes system resources so that games can perform at their best. While enabled, Pro Gaming mode restricts background apps, reducing lag and improving online gaming experience. The 9R also comes with advanced haptic feedback courtesy of an improved X-axis linear motor. The feedback helps games come to life. The smartphone also comes with rounded corners. These make the device easy to hold during long gaming sessions. Finally, the OnePlus 9R comes with dual stereo speakers that support Dolby Atmos technology. And those are some of the reasons why you should game on the OnePlus 9R. Thanks for watching.